Hello and welcome to the Board of Pensions' new website. I'm going to walk you through some of its features and updated content. There are several ways to find the information you need from the homepage. The first way is through this audience menu. Here, you can find quick access to popular topics of interest to you. You can find quick links through the I Want To drop-down feature, or at the bottom of our website. Another way to find the information you need is by clicking on this tab, which opens a comprehensive menu of our website. You'll see that there are three main sections. Under the Benefits Guidance section, you'll find how-to plan information organized by topic. You'll also find guidance for life events, forms and documents, as well as information on how to use Benefits Connect. If you need a quick, comprehensive overview of each of the benefits we offer, including plan features, you can find that under Our Plans. Next, Your Path to Wholeness is a virtual guide that provides you with the tools you need. These tools include Call to Help, Board University educational offerings, and the Assistance Program. If you are a congregation or employer, head over to Employer Guidance. Here you can find information on effective salary, resources designed for congregations and mid-councils, and useful tools such as calculators. This page will also give you information on your church consultant. We offer several ways to reach us directly through our contact page. Our dedicated staff are ready to assist you. We hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Please contact us with any questions.